Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Forte LX IVT in Hyper Blue. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes equipped with automatic halogen projection headlights, as well as daytime running lights and a stylish front grille. Moving on, this model comes with 15-inch steel wheels with covers, as well as 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. The Forte also features power-heated side view mirrors, solar glass, and front and rear splash guards. And heading toward the rear now, the Forte comes with remote cargo access, keyless entry, and a heated rear windshield. Some of the safety features with this model include hill assist control, auto emergency braking, and lane keep assist. And moving on inside, this model features a nice cloth interior with 60/40 folding rear seats with a total of 6 airbags for safety. Looking toward the front now, the Forte comes equipped with power windows and locks, steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, as well as a Rearview Camera on an 8-inch display. This model also features air conditioning, both USB and auxiliary input ports, and drive mode select with Eco, Normal, and Sport drive modes. And heading under the hood now, this vehicle comes with a 2-liter MPI 4-cylinder engine with an automatic intelligent variable transmission.